What if I told you guys the best headlight restoration kit was $13?
What did he say?
Would you believe me? Well, you better believe me, because today I'm showing you how easy and simple it is to clear your headlights, to get them back to that factory spec with no special equipment, no detail shop fees, and most importantly, with a product that's sitting at your local AutoZone. Guys, today we're looking at Turtlewax. Let's do it. Not sponsored, by the way, this is free advice. Now, before we jump into it, just so you guys know, we are at 17,000 subs. That's 3K away from 20. I want to do some sort of 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Let me know in the comments below if you have ideas. I want to either do, a few small things for like a couple of you guys, or I'll do a randomized drawing and do like one big thing.
Yo, give away your car.
I'm not going to give away my car. Car parts are on the table though. So let me know in the comments below. I need ideas. Help me out. Okay, here's my daily. God, that looks bad. Guys, foggy headlights, yellow lenses, these are things that age your car, right? You can have a 2015 3 Series, but if you got foggy lenses, it's gonna look like a 2005, which is why this is one of the most important and easiest things you can do to maintain your exterior. Now, obviously today we're working on a car that's 10 years old. I'm not picking on Honda, no car is off the hook, right? This is just something that happens over time. Between UV rays, road debris, your clear coat from factory is going to wear off over time. And that's when the plastic is going to oxidize. It's going to get that yellow tint that traps dirt and grime and, everything you don't want. So today we're using a product that I've been using since high school, and that is
Oh my God,
Turtlewax Headlight Lens Restorer. Now, again, guys, not a sponsored video. You know me, I go after sponsors with expensive products that I don't want to pay for. Again, $13 at AutoZone. $9 at Walmart if you can find it. So what's in the kit? Well, for starters, you got your lens clarifying compound. And this is basically like a micro finishing polish. This stuff can actually handle light oxidation on its own. So there's a chance that if your headlights aren't too bad, you can probably get away with just applying this and then jumping straight to the sealant. But again, you probably want to use the full kit since you're paying for it. So after you use this stuff, you're going to bust out the lube and just go crazy style like Diddy. I mean, you're going to use your spray lubricant and start your wet sanding process. Now, Turtlewax includes 2 pads with 4 sides. They're marked 1 through 4, and they progress from coarse to fine, right? So you're going to wet sand your lights with these in order, switching direction that you're sanding in by 90 degrees for each step. Meaning, if you're going up and down for pad 1, you'll go left and right for pad 2 and switch off like that. And you're going to want to fully wipe clean your headlights after each stage of this process. Now, this is going to remove that outer layer of yellow plastic and basically smooth out all of those micro scratches on your lenses. Now, they are going to be really foggy after you get done with these. Don't panic. It's part of the process. Trust the process. But yeah, they might look worse after this. So once you're done with pad 4, you're going to switch to the wipes. Now, these dry out super fast, so don't open these until you've already wet sanded both your headlights. Now, the first one is your base coat. You're going to hit your lens evenly and try to let it dry, right? This should get you back to that factory clarity, and it's going to seep into all those micro cracks and really just kind of even everything out. Now, the second one is your lens sealant, and this is going to lay down a protective layer that's going to stand up to UV, to sunlight. It's going to prevent that yellowing and basically lock in that clarity. Now, for this one too, you're also going to want to let it fully dry. I'd say to be safe, give it an hour before you wash it, drive it in the rain, get it wet or anything like that. And with that, you're done, guys. 4 steps, super easy. Now, obviously, I had some cuts in this video, so I don't bore you guys to death, but this whole process took me less than 15 minutes per side. And as you can see, I'm back to factory clarity, right? It's a night and day difference. Now, I probably could have wet sanded for a little bit longer, but I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. And I'm not going to need to repeat this process for a long time because everything is sealed up now. But like I said, guys, not an ad for Turtlewax. I don't have a creator code or anything like that for you. I've just been working on the CRZ, getting it fixed up for Turo, and I wanted to film this because I forgot what a great product this is. So obviously, if you got a newer car, you're not going to need to do this for a while. But for those of you who are like me, who daily a complete shitbox that is now available for rent on Turo, you might want to check out Turtlewax. Anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. This was a quick one, but as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave me some ideas down below for a 20,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.